Lenovo reveals the slim 7i Gen 9 notebook, which has an OLED display, and the newest Intel Core Ultra Meteor Lake CPUs. Before Vivo official release, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro and X Fold 3 specifications were leaked. Apple Arcade offers Puyo Puzzle Pop, Super Monsters 8 My Condo, and Sago mini trips will get on 24th April. ASUS IoT today announced the launch of the MDS M700, a brand new medical box PC that supports a variety of healthcare settings. The iCUE LINK XH405i RGB, the newest model in CORSAIR's acclaimed Hydro X series of custom cooling kits, was launched today. Cyber resilience, implementation of tomorrow's security.